After you have created your pivot table, you will see the field list on the right. In this field list, you can change the design of the pivot table by adding and arranging its fields. If you want to sort or filter the columns of data shown in the pivot table, you will be able to do so from this list. Let's begin. If you want to move a field of data from rows to columns, you just click and drag it to columns. In this example, I brought the buyer's name from rows to columns. If you want to filter, you can always put the field in filters, click in the top and select multiple, and there you can either select all or just a specific one and have the data reflected for that specific item. If you want to change the type of the value in the field, click on the field itself and select value field settings, and here you will be able to change the value of the field. Once you have selected, click OK, and the change will be applied. If you would like to change the layout of the field list, select the tools on the right, click on the arrow, and you will be able to change as you wish.